Nubia has begun teasing its next gaming phone, the Red Magic 5s. The device was first teased by the company president Naifeh at the start of this week, and since then we learned it will come with the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The latest confirmed detail is the phone cooling system, which will feature a silver cooling pad, which would be a first in a phone. Red Magic 5s to sport silver-plated cooling system. Most phones that have a dedicated cooling system use a copper heat pipe, while silver offers superior thermal conductivity, which should result in superior cooling properties. We'll have to wait and see how the phone actually performs, but we're not expecting huge gains here, solely from the silver material. Other than that, we still short on the rest of the Red Magic 5 South key specs and features, but according to rumors the phone is expected to carry over most of the hardware elements of the Red Magic 5G. These included a 144Hz refresh rate display, up to 16GB RAM and a built-in cooling fan.